the world?
Um, I just am going to try to visit universities like these in the future in order to further people's love of math and science, as well as spread my love of math online.
And what is the message to the young generations for popularizing this science and maths?
I think math and science is very important in our modern world. If you want to know what's going on behind the scenes, so you should learn it as quickly as possible.
How do you feel to visit this Bodoland? This is your maiden visit. So,
Yeah.
what is your feelings to be
It's
here?
a great place. It's very beautiful. It's an extremely unique culture, and I'm so excited to be here.
What suggestion do you suggest to the youngsters that you to become as a youngest professor in the world?
I hope that others will try pursuing math and science and approach math in a caring way by looking at the details instead of skipping over everything.
Is this your first time to visit in India,
No.
in Northeast?
Yes, it's
And
it.
how do you feel that you have arrived in Borderland University and interaction with the professors from many colleges and students? How do you feel?
It was a great interaction, and I'm so honored to be here at bodoland University and to be able to talk to so many professors.
How many years it will be take to compare India with America?
Uh,
How many years it will be take as India?
I don't really know how exactly to answer that question.
Just okay. Thank you.
Thank you. And one more question I have, regarding quantum entanglement. I think you know about it. So, how does this quantum entanglement is helping in quantum computing? If
Actually, I'm not an expert on quantum computing or computing in general. My brother is an expert on it, but wouldn't consider myself an expert on that. The most I've heard on quantum computing and how it relates to quantum entanglement is that we don't quite have to work with binary anymore, states of 0 and 1, but that we can have a range of existing values from 0 to 1, like every real number or every number spaced out by some interval. So I guess that's the importance of quantum entanglement, but I'm sure I'm missing something. So more research would be required.
thank you.
Thank you very much. Uh, I request any of the professors for the next interaction.
Yeah, my just question is that in India we have one tough examination. Those who are aspiring for engineering in IIT entrance, we call it joint entrance examination. So have you tried some of these maths and science question papers, and how do you feel? How comfortable you are in doing this?
Oh, that's very funny. I actually did one of the question papers on my way to Bodoland University. So I did it in math because I didn't have time for the physics and chemistry. The JE Advanced is a little too hard for me, but the JE Main, most of the questions are somewhat trivial. Some of them are just memorizing formulas. Some of them are a little more advanced, but I can't say. Some of them did give me a little trouble, but none of them were extremely hard.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So, if there is any teachers from any respected institute, from engineering, from medical, or from Borderland University or any other colleges.
Hello, Professor.
So, especially I'm trying to ask about the set theory. Uh, like you had discussed about the set of real numbers, complex numbers, regarding the infinity. So, can you discuss about such extraordinary set, which can superset the complex set or real set of the reals?
See.
That means which can be inscribed a real set and
Well, which has all the elements of both the real set and the complex set.
yes, so that we can discuss about the three dimension, like we can discuss the complex set and two coordinates like that.
That requires four-dimensional space for x real, y real, x imaginary, y imaginary. I'm not sure I understand what you're asking, but real numbers are a subset of the complex numbers. So the complex numbers include the real numbers themselves. Um, am I getting your question right, or?
Actually, like you have discussed about I square is -1, so that we can find the roots. For that reason, we have to discuss about a complex number.
Yes.
So when we're discussing about a complex number, we can represent it with respect to the two-dimensional coordinate. So
Right.
which can be good to express. So I'm trying to ask, have you done or have you discussed about the such set which can be expressed of three-dimensional coordinate better than that one actually?
We cannot use a 3D coordinate exactly to describe. No, we can't use three-dimensional coordinates to describe a function from